In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a WordPress sign-up form on Constant Contact. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Constant Contact account and you are on the main dashboard. Along the left side navigation, look for the area labeled Channels. Under Channels, click Sign Up Forms. This is where Constant Contact keeps all of the forms you can create and manage, including forms you embed on your website and forms that appear as pop-ups. Once you are on the Sign Up Forms page, click Create Sign Up Form. This starts the form builder, where you will choose the kind of form you want and then customize what your visitors will see. Next, select your form type. If you want the form to sit directly on a WordPress page or in a sidebar, choose an inline form. Inline forms are designed to be embedded, so they blend into the layout of your site. If you prefer a form that appears automatically, choose a pop-up form. Pop-ups can be set to show after a visitor has been on the page for a certain amount of time, which can help you capture attention without changing your page layout. After you choose the form type, move into customization. Update the content first. This includes the title, a short description, and the fields you want people to fill out. Keep your title clear and benefit-focused, and keep your description short so visitors understand what they are signing up for. When choosing fields, only ask for what you truly need, because fewer fields often leads to more signups. Then review the settings. If you are using a pop-up, adjust the timing so it appears at an appropriate moment. Also choose which devices the form should display on, so it looks and behaves well for both desktop and mobile visitors. Now select the email list where new signups will be added. This step is important because it determines where your new contacts go in Constant Contact, and it keeps your subscribers organized for future campaigns. Finally, click Publish. Constant Contact will generate either an embed code for an inline form or a shareable link depending on the form type. Save that code or link so you can add it to your WordPress site. That covers everything you need to know.